my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Let's talk about these nails. So today I showed you guys how I got these like oil slick kind of, let me see if it's gonna focus. These kind of like oil slick holographic, like black holographic nails, and I don't know if I'm gonna call this a tutorial or a fail because they do okay. Yesterday when I was doing them, they didn't look good at all. But today they actually don't look that bad. I do have one of these nail videos up already. I'm gonna link it in the description box, and if I can, I'll put a link on the screen. But basically, I did this last summer, and then when I started school, I was in a whole bunch of school programs that required me to not paint my nails. And so now that I'm back to doing my nails, I feel really like clumsy and weird about doing it. In addition to that, I feel like long nails don't really suit me. I feel like I'm a short gel polish, white nude type of girl. Like, this is very out of my comfort zone, but I still wanted to upload this tutorial for you guys so you guys could see it. But before we get into that, I first want to say a huge thank you to all the new people who subscribed to my channel. Like, the past month and a half has been going really, really well for my channel and for me. And I know I haven't been posting consistently, but I don't know if y'all knew this or not, but I am a junior in high school this year. So this year is going to be super hectic for me. And now it's May. This is the last month of school. I have literally 8 tests to take this month, not counting the SAT and ACT. I just haven't had any time to upload, not to film, not to upload, and it sucks because this is the time when my channel has been doing the best, and I feel like I should be cultivating that and like posting more to satisfy my new subscribers, but I just really, honestly and truly, I haven't had the time. But don't worry, because after I take my SAT, I don't want to hear anything about school, period. My counselor was like, oh, do you want to take this during the summer? Do you want to take, no, I'm not taking nothing during the summer. I promise you guys, after like June 1st, when I take my SAT, I am done with school for the next 3 months, and my focus will be solely on just YouTube and just like, I don't know, I want to get a job this summer. I want to travel this summer. I want to like, there's a whole bunch of things that I want to do, especially with this channel. So again, thank you to all the new people who subscribed and who have stayed subscribed regardless of the fact that I've posted like 1 video in the past month. I'm telling you, after June 1st, it's about to be on and popping. But yeah, that's a little side note life update. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial fail attempt. I don't know what I'm gonna call this video, but I tried for y'all, and I'll see y'all in a minute. Okay guys, so I'm gonna make this a voiceover. So basically what you're gonna need is you're gonna need nails. I have a whole bunch of different type of press-on nails and stuff, but the ones I'm gonna be using for the holographic like water oil effect is these ones right here. You can get these ones from Dollar Tree. They're super cute. They're like an ombre purplish blue, and originally I had just bought 1 pack, but these nails, I don't know if you guys can tell, let me see, but these nails do run a little bit wide, and my hands are kind of small. There's only a couple of the skinny ones, and there's a lot of the big ones, so I went ahead and bought another pack so I can use the skinny ones from this pack as well. But you can get these at your local Dollar Tree. And so the other thing you're going to be needing is some kind of nail glue, which I also bought from Dollar Tree. This is the Kiss brand, and this is the brand that everyone uses when they do press on. You're also going to need acetone and cotton balls. So I'm going to go ahead and clean off the little nail polish I have on this hand. The reason I like to buy the press-ons that are pre-painted is because it's a lot less work. I like to buy press-ons that are pre-painted and pre-shaped because it's just overall less work for me. Whenever you buy like these kinds, which I normally use, the regular press-on kind, you have to start filing them and shaping them and stuff. And if you're not really good at it, it's not gonna look professional. So that's why I would really suggest like buy them how you're gonna wear them. If you know you're gonna wear them, you know, coffin shaped and black, buy some black coffin shaped nails versus buying this huge pack that's super long. You have to start cutting and filing. It's a lot of extra work. So next I'm just gonna size them to my hand. So now I'm going to use a nail file to further size the nails down to my fingers. Like for my thumb, I like my nails to be kind of slim because it looks more classy. So for my thumb, if I push it on like this, it's gonna be kind of like fat and bulky still. So I'm gonna like file it into like that coffin shape. If you're a little bit lazy like me, you can take a nail clipper and clip the sides and then just smoothen it out with a file. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm sure this is very not professional, but it'd be like that sometimes. Smoothing out the sides. That fits a lot better. Okay, so now that I've shaped all my nails, I'm gonna go ahead and start gluing them on. So I'm gonna do my non-dominant hand first, starting with my pinky, and then I'm gonna work my way up to my thumb. So I'm gonna put most of the glue at the base of my nail, because that's where it's gonna be most likely to pop off. This is just one of those things that you get better with practice. And I haven't done this in like a year, so. Cassie! Where's my nail glue? Where is my nail glue? Where's my nail glue?
Nail glue?
Yes!
I don't know.
You borrowed it a while ago!
What did I do with nail glue?
Y'all see that right there? That little white thing? That's my skin that came off with the glue. It didn't hurt. It's probably just dead skin, but it felt kind of weird. Well, it's definitely crooked. I love that. Wow. My mom told me to just paint my nails, but no. I wanted these nails. Okay guys, I just went ahead and glued on the rest of my nails off camera. And this is what it looks like. Honestly, this was a fail. I'm just gonna say it was definitely a fail. These nails are holding on by a thread. I think a huge part of it was definitely the nail glue that I used. It just wasn't good. I don't know why I didn't just go buy some more of this Blue Bottle Kiss one, but this is how my nails look. They don't look terrible, you know, but they don't look amazing. They're probably gonna come off in like 3. Let's just get a close-up of the nails one more time. They're really cute. Okay guys, so that's basically it for this video. If any of y'all end up recreating this look or anything like it, make sure to tag me in your photo so I can see what y'all did and if y'all did a better job than me. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment of any videos y'all want to see. And I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.